Hi everyone. I just took this out the box and decided to use it, and it is wonderful. Now I probably won't fold it back up because I plan on using it every week, but look at how those clothes are spinning around. I had another machine, but it just barely moved the clothes. So I am quite happy with my Moyu, Moyu, because it's doing the job. The other machine that this replaced, and I'm not going to call the name, was smaller, and the clothes didn't move like that. The clothes kind of vibrated. So, and after a while, they would only vibrate for a few minutes and then stop. But this bad boy has 5 minutes and a 10-minute wash cycle. I haven't got to the rinse cycle, to the spin yet, because I'm just excited with what it's doing, washing. So, at this last, I'm thrilled. That's all I know to say is I am thrilled. Thank you for listening.